Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to send any donation or any thanks to your favorite creator on YouTube. So if you want to give some money to your favorite creator through thanks button, you can do it by using this feature of YouTube. First you need to open that particular video through which you want to send a thank. Like in my case, I had opened that creator, and if I want to send the thanks, I will scroll down the button, and you can see that there is a thank button below this video. And if I want to send a thanks to them, I will click on the thanks button, and once I click the thanks button, it will ask how much money I want to send that particular creator. So you can send $1, $10, $50 or $100, anything. And you can also add a custom message to that particular creator or owner of the video. After typing your message, you need to choose the buy and send, and you need to click that particular button. Now it will ask your payment method, through which medium you want to send that particular thanks. So let me tell you that while sending thanks, only 65% of that money will goes to creator and 35% will goes to YouTube. So you can add your payment method and send creator a thanks. So this is the way to send thanks on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.